Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make simple and delicious baked baby potatoes. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 250 to 300 gram baby potatoes. We are going to use the potatoes with the skin on, so it's very important to wash them really well. So wash the potatoes once or twice with water and remove all the dirt. After that, transfer the baby potatoes to a pressure cooker. Now add water till the level of potatoes and then add salt. You may prick the potatoes using a fork and then add salt. Now pressure cook the potatoes at medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, let the pressure cooker sit till the pressure is released, and after that open the lid and remove the baby potatoes. Transfer the baby potatoes to a bowl. Next add some oil. 2 to 3 teaspoon oil is what we need. You may use extra virgin olive oil if you want. And toss the potatoes in the oil. Next add half teaspoon chili flakes. You may add red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. I'm using Everest brand's garam masala. 2 teaspoon crushed garlic. And salt to taste. Mix till the baby potatoes are coated well with the masala and spices. Our baby potatoes are ready. Now take your OTG or baking dish and place a butter paper or parchment paper on it, or you can grease it with some oil. If you want to bake these without oven, you can take a plate and grease it with some oil or place the paper in that plate. And you can use your pressure cooker or pan to bake the potatoes without oven. But before that, take a glass or a bowl and press the potatoes like this. The potatoes are now ready to be baked, so you may bake it at medium flame on a gas stove, or you can bake it in OTG at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Place an upper rack, and if your OTG has got fan, you can switch it on. After 15 minutes, take out the tray. Do not switch off your oven or your gas stove. Add some processed cheese. For all the potatoes, I'm using 1 processed cheese cube. If you want, you can add more cheese, but a little amount of cheese would also add a very nice flavor. Once you're done placing the cheese, again bake for 5 minutes. Like I said, you can bake these potatoes without oven, that is in your pressure cooker or kadhai or pan. Finally, add a few drops of lemon juice, or you can sprinkle chaat masala. And yes, do not forget chopped fresh coriander. You can serve these potatoes with ketchup, chutney, Szechuan chutney, green chutney, any type of dip, or you can have these just like that. Because of the skin, the potatoes become crispy on the outside and remain soft inside. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!